Hello.
Hi,
Hi. How are you? Sumit, how are you?
I'm fine. What about you? Thank you.
I am good. I am good. Where are you from?
I am from UP. What about you?
Yeah, I'm from a small town that is Mandi Bamra.
Okay.
Yeah. And
In which state? Mandi Bavra.
yeah, Mandi Bamra is in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
What about you? What city are you from?
I am from the city Bulandshahr, which is
O-
which is a district.
okay, okay. So,
Yeah.
Sumit, what do you do? Are you a college going or are you a school going?
Yeah. I am college going. Actually, I pursuing graduation and also preparing for government exams like NDA, Air Force. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So, how did you find me?
Actually, I find you from Buddy Talk app. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. So, I want to know about your dream, about your hobbies. What do you want to do in future? What's your
Yeah.
goal?
Yeah. Yeah, actually, I want to become a government officer in future.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. So, I want to know what is the importance of English language in your life? Why do you want to think that English is important for me?
yeah. English is very important for everyone because in our
Yes.
in our India and also abroad,
Yeah,
English
yeah.
is very important. English is very important because it's a international language.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Because in India there is a different types of mother tongues, and like me, I know only two languages like Hindi and my mother tongue. So
Okay.
in this case, when I meet a person, he don't know about my mother tongue Hindi, then how can I explain him my so for understanding English is very important.
Yes, yes. So how long have you been learning English language?
Actually, at this time I am a beginner of learning English, so that's why I feel speaking with someone.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So I want to know more about you. That means what do you think that if you want to improve English speaking, what you need to do?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a different thing when we are learning about English. That for learning any new language, we required for listening. First of all, we listen the language that we want to learn. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
After listening, we write some pages daily. What I do in a day. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I want to know more about your family. What's your occupation? What do you do?
Yeah. I belong to a rural or village area, and my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housewife. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So I want to know that means what is famous in Bulandshahr? You are from Bulandshahr. So
yeah.
what is very popular in Bulandshahr? Actually, I heard about that, but I do not know why Bulandshahr is famous.
Actually, first of all, Bulandshahr is famous for different things. First of all, I want to say you here is a nuclear power plant corporation in Narora.
Okay.
Yeah, and second, there is a lots of poetry farms. Do you know poetry farms like cup, glasses, in
Yeah,
Khurda
yeah.
city? Yeah. So Bulandshahr is famous for this type of things, and here is a forts.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. Yes,
yeah,
yes. So I want to know, have you ever visited out of Bulandshahr? Means do you like to visit other places?
yeah. I like it.
Yes. So have you ever visited out of your city? Means what
Yeah,
are the places where have you visited?
yeah. I am visited Delhi, India Gate, Red Fort, and Agra, Taj Mahal.
Okay. So how
Yeah,
was your experience? How was your experience when you visited Agra, Delhi? So how was
yeah,
your experience?
yeah. My experience is very good when I visited in Agra because we see the Taj Mahal all of time in books and movies, TVs. And when I reached there, then I was very happy because Taj Mahal in very close to my eyes and it's look very clear. Yeah,
Yes.
and I feel very
Yes.
better because and I feel very proud to our country because Taj Mahal is the seven, seven popular in all world, seven popular. Yeah,
Yes. Good. Good. So I want to know more about you. I want to know more about you. Actually, you are preparing of competitive exam.
yeah,
Okay. So how much time do you take out for your study? And what do you think if you really want to get your dream, what you will have to do? And will you be able to reach over there?
yeah. I think I will be able to reach over there because I study in very focused and all day. And in free time I think about my dream, my goals, because it's my because it's very important because I want to make my future. So
Yes. Yes.
that's why all time I hope about this. And all time I study books and focus on English because in interviews of this type of jobs there is a very requirement of English conversation.
Yes. English will help you everywhere.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. In all ways of your life, English is gonna help you. So please improve your English speaking, and you have improved a lot.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, you are
When
not a beginner.
uh,
You are
yeah,
you
yeah.
are now speaking fluently. So
Thank you, sir. And
yeah, do
when I started speak English first day, then I don't hope that I feel very bad because at this time I don't able to speak a single word in English. But now I am able to satisfy a person like you. Today I talk with you in English. Yeah,
yeah.
I know I make some mistakes in grammatical, but I trying for solve it.
Do not bother about your mistakes. Just speak confidently. Do not get hesitate. Do not get fearful. It happens when we talk face to face. At that time, we get hesitate. We get fearful, and
Yeah,
all the words, gets vanished. Our minds become very, empty, blank.
yeah. Because
Yes, we are not.
it's my first chance that I speaking with someone in English in front of in video call. So
Yeah,
it's very difficult
yeah,
to me.
yeah. I'm really very happy to talk with you because I like to talk with people, and I will say that you are improving a lot, and you will reach your goal. And it was really memorable conversation. It was really
Yeah,
memorable, communication with you, and I hope so that I will, get chance to talk with you once again. So
yeah,
yeah,
sure.
Sumit, I will say that please take care and keep it up. Learn English because it will definitely help you. It will open the door of success for you.
Yeah,
Okay,
and
Sumit.
I'm also and I am yeah, and I am also get a confidence after talking with you because
Yes,
always you motivate me. Yeah,
yes, because you can do. I hope. I know that you can. You have the
yeah,
capability, you have the capacity, and you can do whatever you want to do in your life.
yeah.
Okay, Sumit, that's that's it for for this conversation. Have a nice day.
Okay, take care, sir.
Okay, bye.